An ultra-detailed eco-resort beach bungalow shaped like an organic bird nest, elevated on natural wooden stilts, oval form made from hand-woven bamboo, and rattan exterior curved panoramic glass wall. Facing the ocean, interior softly lit with warm ambient lighting. Willows, knitwood, and bamboo furniture located on a tropical beach. At sunset, surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees, textured sand and gentle waves. Handcrafted wooden stairs, architectural photography, photorealistic style.